That's the wrap. Coiling chignon with easy to follow step-by-step images. Pull all that hair on the side back. Notice that blue arrow, and then take out just the crown. Maybe you don't have long hair there, maybe you just have fringe, but that is the sectioning you're going to make right now. Put the ponytail in the back. Set everything with hot rollers, and you can almost see the style emerge. Split the hair in two back there and add 2 more little elastics. Loop up and pin 1/2 of the ponytail near the big elastic and allow the ends to be free. You can arrange them later as you wish. Do the same for the other side of the ponytail, loop and pin. This ponytail system gets a lot of hair up with just 2 bobby pins so far. Now, split the hair that is hanging in the back into 3 or 4 sections. You want to coil and twist. Put a small elastic near the thumb there and just keep coiling until the coils spin up on themselves, and pin them near where the elastic is. Do this for all sections. And you're going to take the front and you're going to drag it back. It creates a really neat look. You can split it right across the top of the design. You can feed it through. You could braid it. There is just a fun directional look with this drawing the hair back like that and the coils. This is a great hairstyle for a tropical wedding. There's not a lot of setting. We don't have to worry about curls coming loose, and it's up and off your neck. It's really a lot of fun. Thanks for watching.